How to cash out from CoinStats to your bank account. To cash out from your CoinStats, open the CoinStats app and go to the Portfolio tab where your wallet or exchange is displayed. Tap the Sell or Cash Out button, available only if you are connected a supported exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Choose the crypto you want to sell like Bitcoin or USDT. Then select your preferred fiat currency like USD, Euro, or etc. CoinStats will route your transaction through its integrated partner such as MoonPay or Transact. To handle the crypto to fiat conversion, enter the amount you want to cash out, input your details, and complete any KYC verification if prompted. Confirm the transaction within 1 to 3 business days. The fund will be deposited into your linked bank account. Make sure you check for any withdrawal limits, network fees, and supported regions before proceeding. And that's it.